experience the power and precision of modern machinery in action. In this video, we showcase the most extreme and dangerous big chainsaw tree-cutting machines and monster excavators working on stump removal. Watch as these powerful machines handle massive trees with ease and precision. Now let's get started. This statement suggests that the K700 tractor is particularly effective or suitable for the task of removing tree stumps, showcasing its strength and efficiency in handling tough jobs. Its powerful engine can generate the torque needed to pull out even the most stubborn tree stumps. The Logosol B751. The Logosol B751 is a high-quality band sawmill manufactured by Logosol. It's designed for both personal and professional use, offering a reliable and efficient way to process logs into lumber. Powered by a powerful electric motor for smooth and efficient sawing. It can handle logs up to 29.5 inches in diameter and 15.7 feet in length. The eschelbach VERIBC. The eschelbach VERIBC is used primarily in forestry, landscaping, and biomass production. It can handle large diameter wood and produce high-quality wood chips, making it ideal for processing large volumes of wood material quickly. Equipped with a robust engine that can handle large amounts of wood material. It allows operators to adjust the size of the wood chips, which is useful for different applications such as biomass energy production, wood pellet manufacturing, or mulch production. The KAPAN CS 4218 Pro. The KAPAN CS 4218 Pro is a high-performance firewood processor designed for efficiency in cutting and splitting logs. The splitting force is 18 tons, allowing for robust log processing. This model is equipped with a chainsaw-based cutting system capable of handling logs with a diameter of up to 42 cm and lengths between 20 to 50 cm. The VTRA T144. This is a large trailer, likely designed for hauling heavy loads like logs. The 4WDM indicates that it has four-wheel drive, which provides better traction on uneven terrain. Typically equipped with a powerful engine that provides high torque and efficiency, ideal for heavy-duty operations. VTRA T144 tractor pulling a Kronos 160 trailer through a wet forest. Due to the muddy conditions, the tractor and trailer have become stuck in the mud. This can be a challenging situation to resolve, often requiring additional equipment or assistance to free the vehicles. The Woodmeier WB2000 XL. The Woodmeier WB2000 XL is a large, commercial-grade wood chipper designed for heavy-duty tree care and forestry applications. It is typically powered by a robust diesel engine, often around 275 to 300 horsepower, to handle thick branches and trunks. It has a large feed capacity capable of chipping material up to 21 inches in diameter. A 150-foot winch line can handle material up to 4,000 pounds, making it easy to lift logs directly onto the feed table. The Cat 323DL stub repair. Cat 323DL stub repair is a specialized piece of construction equipment designed to efficiently remove tree stumps from the ground. Powerful hydraulic system provides the necessary force to drive the stump grinder attachment and effectively remove even the toughest stumps. Equipped with rotating teeth or blades that can cut through and grind up tree stumps into smaller, manageable pieces. The HSM 208F. The HSM 208F forwarder is a vital piece of equipment in the forestry industry, enabling efficient and effective timber transportation. It has an operating weight of approximately about 26,455 pounds and can carry payloads of up to 11 tons. The forwarder is powered by a robust 6-cylinder Iveco engine, delivering power around 104 kilowatt, which ensures good performance in rugged terrain. Tree felling is a potentially dangerous activity. It's essential to follow proper safety procedures, including wearing appropriate protective gear and understanding the surrounding environment. The process involves making specific cuts, such as the bucking cut and face cut, to control the direction of the fall and minimize risk. Logging trucks are typically large and heavy, making them difficult to maneuver in narrow spaces. The road's conditions, such as being narrow or slippery due to factors like rain, snow, or mud, can significantly increase the difficulty and risk involved in operating the truck. The weight of the logs being transported can further challenge the truck's stability and traction on slippery roads. the Chipo 8010C. The Comptech Chipo 8010C is a high-performance industrial wood chipper designed for large-scale wood waste processing. It's capable of efficiently chipping logs and branches into wood chips of various sizes, suitable for applications like biomass energy production. Equipped with a 780 horsepower CAT auxiliary engine, ensuring robust performance and high production capacity. It can produce up to 320 stacked cubic meters of wood chips per hour. It has low energy consumption due to the use of a conveyor instead of a blower for chip discharge. A Kobelco excavator with large logs loading a truck is a scene where a heavy-duty Kobelco excavator is used to lift and place large logs onto the bed of a truck. This is a common operation in forestry and logging industries, where trees are felled, cut into logs, and transported to sawmills or other processing facilities. Wow! When felling a tree with the Husqvarna 592 XPG, it's essential to follow proper safety procedures and techniques. This includes wearing appropriate safety gear, such as a helmet, protective clothing, and safety glasses. Additionally, it's important to plan the felling carefully, considering factors like the tree's size, location, and surrounding obstacles. The Woodmeier WB2000. The Woodmeier WB2000 is a high-performance industrial sawmill designed for efficient and precise processing of large-diameter logs. Equipped with a 50 HP electric motor, the WB2000 can handle large-diameter logs with ease. This machine is suited for large-scale production, often used in commercial or industrial sawmills where reliability and longevity are key. The Morbach 640 Debarker. The Morbach 640 Debarker is a heavy-duty machine designed for removing bark from logs and wood material, typically used in the forestry and wood processing industries. The machine often comes with a high-powered engine to ensure it can handle large logs and tough bark efficiently, equipped with rollers or conveyors that move the logs into the debarking chamber.